Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to change language in Bandlab. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in bandlab.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Bandlab if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see in the left side of the screen, we have the trending, following, music and video. We have the liked posts, albums and playlists. And in the top side of the screen, we have the feed, discover, services, library, and the search bar. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and change language in Bandlab. So launch Bandlab on your computer or mobile device, as I already told you in the start of the video. Then tap or click on your profile picture in the top right corner, like this. After that, select settings from the drop-down menu. So here we have settings, it's almost in the end, so click settings. Then click on language tab on the left side. So click on the language tab. You can look on the left side and it's the last option. Then under application language, select your preferred language from the list. Click update to apply the changes. Restart the app for the changes to take effect. Bandlab will now display in your chosen language. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next one. Until then, as always, bye guys.